The psychology of money, why your mindset matters more than your income. Introduction. Money is not just a physical resource, it's a psychological one. Your relationship with money is shaped by your beliefs, emotions, and habits, which often have a greater impact on your financial success than your income level. While earning more can help, it's your mindset that determines whether you build wealth or struggle financially. Motivational line. Your income is a tool, but your mindset is the blueprint. Change your thinking, and you'll change your financial future. 1. The role of beliefs in financial success. Motivational line. What you believe about money determines what you achieve with it. Deep dive. Your beliefs about money are often formed in childhood. For example, if you grew up hearing phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy, you might subconsciously associate wealth with negativity. These beliefs can manifest as self-sabotage, such as overspending or avoiding opportunities to earn more. Real-life example. Someone who believes I'll never be good with money might avoid learning about investing, even though it could significantly grow their wealth. Actionable tip. Write down your money beliefs. Identify which ones are limiting and replace them with empowering ones, such as, money is a tool to create freedom and opportunities. 2. The scarcity versus abundance mindset. Motivational line. Scarcity sees limits, abundance sees possibilities. Which lens are you looking through? Deep dive. A scarcity mindset focuses on lack and fear. It leads to behaviors like hoarding money, avoiding risks, and feeling jealous of others' success. An abundance mindset, on the other hand, focuses on growth and opportunities. It encourages investing, generosity, and collaboration. Real-life example. Two people receive a $1,000 bonus. The person with a scarcity mindset spends it on immediate pleasures, fearing it might disappear. The person with an abundance mindset invests it, seeing it as a seed for future growth. Actionable tip. Practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, and focus on opportunities to grow rather than limitations. 3. Emotional spending and impulse control. Motivational line. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the life you want to live. Spend wisely. Deep dive. Many people use money to cope with emotions like stress, boredom, or sadness. This leads to impulsive purchases and financial regret. Understanding your emotional triggers can help you make better decisions. Real-life example. After a tough day at work, someone might buy an expensive pair of shoes to feel better, only to regret it later when they see their credit card bill. Actionable tip. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I need this, or do I just want it? How will this purchase impact my long-term goals? Implement a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. 4. The power of delayed gratification. Motivational line. The ability to delay gratification is the foundation of wealth building. Deep dive. Delayed gratification means sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term gains. This principle is at the heart of saving, investing, and building wealth. Real-life example. The famous Stanford marshmallow experiment showed that children who delayed eating a marshmallow for a greater reward later in life had better life outcomes, including financial success. Actionable tip. Start small. Save a portion of your income before spending, and gradually increase your savings rate over time. Automate your savings to make it easier. 5. Risk tolerance and financial decisions. Motivational line. Playing it safe might feel comfortable, but it will never make you rich. Deep dive. Your willingness to take calculated risks plays a huge role in your financial success. Fear of failure often holds people back from investing, starting a business, or pursuing higher-paying opportunities. Real-life example. Two people are offered the same investment opportunity. One person invests $1,000 and earns a 10% return. The other person avoids the risk, keeping their money in a savings account with minimal interest. Actionable tip. Educate yourself about investing and start with low-risk options like index funds or ETFs. Remember, every successful person has faced failure at some point. 6. The impact of social comparison. Motivational line. Comparison is the thief of joy and the killer of wealth. Deep dive. Constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to overspending and financial stress. Social media exacerbates this by showcasing curated, highlight reel versions of people's lives. Real-life example. Someone sees their friend's luxury vacation on Instagram and feels pressured to book an expensive trip they can't afford. Actionable tip: unfollow social media accounts that trigger envy. Focus on your personal financial journey and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. 7. The importance of financial education. Motivational line: knowledge is the currency of the 21st century. Invest in it. Deep dive. Many people struggle with money because they lack basic financial literacy. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and compound interest can transform your financial life. Real-life example: someone who learns about compound interest starts investing 100 almond at age 25. By age 65, they could have over 500,000, assuming a 7% annual return. Actionable tip: dedicate time each week to learning about personal finance. Read books like The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel or listen to podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show. 8. The role of habits in wealth building. Motivational line: small habits, repeated over time, lead to massive results. Deep dive. Millionaires don't rely on luck, they build wealth through consistent habits like saving, investing, and tracking their spending. Real-life example: Warren Buffett credits his success to habits like reading 500 pages a day and making disciplined investment decisions. Actionable tip: start with one habit, such as tracking your expenses or automating your savings. Once it becomes routine, add another. 9. Giving and generosity. Motivational line: true wealth isn't about what you have, it's about what you give. Deep dive. Many wealthy individuals attribute their success to a mindset of generosity. Giving not only helps others but also creates a sense of abundance and fulfillment. Real-life example: Oprah Winfrey has donated millions to education and humanitarian causes, stating that giving brings her immense joy. Actionable tip: start small by donating to a cause you care about or volunteering your time. Notice how it shifts your mindset. 10. The long-term perspective. Motivational line: wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent. Deep dive. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and perseverance. Millionaires focus on long-term goals rather than quick fixes. Real-life example: someone who invests $10,000 at age 30 could have over $100,000 by age 65, assuming a 7% annual return. Actionable tip: create a 10-year financial plan and break it down into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate milestones along the way. Conclusion: your mindset is the most powerful tool you have when it comes to money. By understanding the psychology behind your financial decisions and adopting a wealth-building mindset, you can achieve financial freedom no matter your current income. Final motivational line: your income is a starting point, but your mindset is the destination. Believe in your ability to create wealth, take consistent action, and watch your life transform. Call to action: if you're ready to take control of your financial future, start by examining your beliefs and habits. Share this note with someone who needs a mindset shift, and let's build a community of financially empowered individuals.